Big data, data science, artificial intelligence. New technologies mean phenomenal quantities of data can be collected, stored, and transformed. But too often, companies fail to get the expected value from their data. To understand the reasons for this failure, let's imagine that the data stored and used in companies are chemical products. And let's go back a few years in time. The 90s. The computer revolution has hit companies. Data are produced by the business team, which capture them, while technicians organize and store them. The data are few in number, easy to understand and organize. All that occupies only a few people. But already, sometimes the words are not the same when speaking of the same things. The year's 2000. It's the era of the Web 2.0. More data arrive in companies. To store them, more space is needed, more silos and storage structures. With business teams, more and more people are concerned by data. And technicians, now more numerous, begin to specialize to answer the needs of all company employees. Communication isn't always easy. It's difficult to understand each other and to know the properties of data, where they come from and how they are transformed. To muddle through, collaborators construct and maintain complex spreadsheets. Today, here we are. Big data is here, together with social networks and the Internet of Things. The data collected are much more diverse, heterogeneous, complex and voluminous because collected in real time. On top of internal data, companies are connected to external data providers who supply them continuously, a real mine. In organizations, data concern everybody. Everybody collects, enriches and transforms them because they have become crucial for business, and you have to move fast. Time to market is vital. Data scientists have appeared in order to extract the quintessence of data, even predict the future. Oh yes, here's one who had the brilliant idea of combining data from two different sources to create new data which business teams need. Boom. Okay, obviously he blew everything up. But why? Quite simply through ignorance about the data he was using. The problem with big data is not that they are too voluminous or change too often. Technology knows very well how to deal with that. Companies master the fact of having data. The problem isn't how to manipulate data either. Technology can carry out all the necessary operations. We can say that today, companies master massive data processing. In fact, the real problem is that companies don't master the knowledge of their mass data. They are everywhere, but nobody has the only key to knowledge. Metadata. Information describing the data owned by the company. Metadata define the data. They create veritable identity cards to help understand them, with their contexts and uses. Metadata describe the organization of your databases. They present the structures used and the relations between various data sources. Metadata enable you to trace your data, follow their trajectories and transformation in the various systems of the company. In short, metadata make up an indispensable knowledge framework for survival in the era of big data. That is exactly what DataGalaxy offers. DataGalaxy is the first Agile metadata platform. DataGalaxy is the only solution which enables your teams to gather and share knowledge of your data. Go to datagalaxy.com.